Abusua for ya share bi on Smart Ghana update so. Dey news update ye mo bia akwaba. Ene nso ya satena se wa betwetwe nkomo na so de wadwen kire aba abeto aso. Miri di adwoa e champoma. Na ye nyina mara wosem a isi ye e wo Jamestown. E wo abrantie police ni a wasi so obo ne bra. Wote vana e de sika e ko bank. Na wo hwese nko betimi aboban abo sika no ho ban. Na so so fofia nto ata na nipa bonfo akonfo. Me na so like was Roberts e kwato share ne so. Na mo bo ni tu o ma ne ya brantie na wuwu ja won ka ati asefo asase ho. Na sa brantie ni issue na ba ye so yi na yi nim ever since ba manfo bebre na e do na no otum no mo chese da bi say the Ghana hat na yehu. Na they say wona mabontie kura na say nkodu fie nkoto upunu ma wuni ahoto because who is the next victim manfo asole Roberts and who say bebre. Na sa asem kura no owura James Agaga or a ranking member of the Defense and Interior Committee, or then I know what to know what you say. Said the name of Connie, the Mwakola, say no, Sabani say you discare bank. That's a police in Bettinum. Say will be there or Bettinum be or some day bulletproof near the Jacano, baby, any more to train now, or for bulletproof living show. Said a bear in Pabon phobia on I dress of Apple shower. I could just get it from Muslim Kumpa, won't you mean ye? Ututuana emfa. So only who is also bulletproof home. Now don't know what you say. As some croya December 24th, bring your bosom year term year 2020 year. One more Eddie Shiamu, any penny for Edging home, Eddie home come. I'm over to penny for himself, said a bear, Sika, the bank, the Eddie will be any home. And it's over for bulletproof and far home. Said a bear, any panel security now, or only team police in our team driver or team. They all be out who bet me about buying, then watch it so no. Nipa na ono so di sika na ekọ no ne nkwa ho aboban ma sika na ankasa so ho aboban na wo chemo so omo etwendwene ho no de ekowie ne so omo de asem ne ko share say yakofo ya adoma 2023 July enkodu anom de na chese saa ne ma nan ne hihye na obeso mu ye nyina na atumi abam na owura gaga se saa abra ni mu okrompo no IGP an ampene so no ne Bank of Ghana nya adwo no sa 2023 sesen ade ye ka asem abetimi abo na ni kine ya sada be ya manfo nkwa ahodo a hwegu ato betimi atwa am 2023 bedu na afa na mo hu ne mo ye mo ho IGP kwa no ma anya adwen ene say fofia nto ata ebi asasi bi mu no meni na eje e ba be twetwe asem no nkom na so de comment aba se de bi kan aka ye no sanso asem wo no mo edika nti ye nso ye beka da je
ni aba ya no bia oso
owura gaga se Bank of Ghana for 2023.
And kwasam say Ghana you did 64 years.
Okay.
If you see a independent. And the only say home and be gateway to Africa. You gateway to West Africa, gateway to Africa. But san sam no yakoye sabe shirubudu shirabada. Anasa akoye ahoten bi kwa nyinaso bi eni so because we baby ye nyina bedrei as a country at 64 years I nim so man bi ani pedo so na nipa bonefo so bem the more nti although our security experts here dey bia motive radio so man yaso nkwa didi ye beto mon ka just assembly ya be ka blofa kakra ten. Everybody in Ghana can find solution, but to solve solution has always been our problem. So what I say, in timponan can say, baby, and then we are here bedroom. Sa cars now matun din bulio van and kasanya bulio vans. A cars ya, a you be pick up why your boss war. I'm telling you, you can bulio van out here. Bulio van, I just say, sa van nankasani soon in the session in a way that adene egunu hu hia e ma nipa nso atimu so ensan hia ba ye die yankofo pick up ye bi ena ya na obi ko ba no ko pick up na no akọ magazine anasa ni ada fitting shop na yakobo eto na siso osibulovan ofan enti baby anke abedu na nkansase ye tran okrama sansensemi ko susisi e ko one amanfo bi ni mo efi say unemployment rate in the country no was soro nti boys ani abre a epeduma ye girls ani abre ti girls ndie more na adom dia fa besi we And
can is an aging.
Mr. Dona Dom de Alpha, Bessie way, wasn't cancer. Make us say, I'm telling the truth.
Come bear, see, we're not a too harsh of a word.
Must say,
a prostitute.
Napa prostitute, no.
Oh, the very can't remember base liquid be crying a guy, and I can bear city and
oh, ma'am, sleeping as I say. Meba,
yes, liquid is
meba.
Now come bear, see,
me pacho menya broni maka sleeping. Eh, Bessie,
Bessie, the legend.
Eti, a mood do na no muntui pressure no. On muntui sabe. Omu so munya adwuma mo penye no. Dodo na do de afa Bessie we.
What else you know?
Na Bessie na me chirem. They say Bessie no yapchiche mu aba benya 3 categories. Ya ba ko ya dada na ni me Bessie original na ene onko no mtwetwiri nua no ho saa okokuma se ye kane nanka omunsi city hotel ne ye fro golden tulip no okono opposite obu so mtwetwiri nua no ho saa no ne ade a omo so madwuma ye bi fisi e mo bo nipa ko bu ana ire tukwantiaja okofa tesia na ode akwakoda etu omo nanka yenima no ene hasa ba benya ba ko bia no so ye fro no slay queen eno nso aja ofo so akonya tade bia ne bode kakra bra hu onu se o level wo soro tiaja no wo bo nka omo bia na patubim na hote enso e de life must go on eno ne ade a eno best sa slay queen yi residential high rated residential area for the any local local side of also the
local best no
dabi best so nyan de ho na slay queen na nkasa no yes our high class slay queen ye lower and the middle nti slay queen ko buy wo mo ye wo mo edom ko Dubai ene ye wo mo a wo man 1000 Ghana kra na ni age so that the musa kakra na eba be 3 categories and is yasa benya another one I feel hook up tell you
best brana
no wonya nkra bata ebi mo modernize wo ho ebi a package wo mo ye brand na okosoro hook up and minimum saro musi faso ya ndie but I understand say ebi wa me WhatsApp group ni sa na ma no bowura mu ase me kondo naja wa pick bi naja makeka na say paper ni nyina ye best na but modernize I mean ways omode ya
so I say dia wo come na sia say adwuma eni wo ma yi mu toto no
and also one of the factors e ka homa ye hu ne ye hu
okay
enti se ye wo oman a enipa dodo na fi so munya adwuma nyindu munya employment na galamsey nso so abansi ye sensu enti no wagu no which is good wagu galamsey no nti ama boys dodo na nso nya adwuma bi nya and don't forget say galamsey na nka omo na ye bebre na nso one way or the other minim anyway omunya ye ebi mu amenities anomo de bo omo ban so what I say na bi mu amenities omo de bo omo ban it is a na galamsey ni ho na se ono so comden na so sa otuo na ko de bo no ho ba on galamsey site ho a what do you expect or be kwa kwaye de ense so de ye etianke ba bia bedru nke wo se cars transport yesika etiko different regions in Ghana no from Accra to Eko other regions no akwan bebre kura so sanye etika mu one kai ya koye mo suspect obi pick up ye twato abutu so ye twa bibia abutu so say na police no team no ote front because I'm not with all due respect to them because to no because e be easy to I am more relaxed because Kotebia also pay attention say or share driving room I say who suspect bia because the man e kire almost an man nyina but e be also because e be sense that you can't blame them that much e be incident because timi ajani to ko the atwere car no nchemu ba bi na je okura ne phone e chaate I wouldn't know 81 car na nkasa a ekono a suspect 2 operational I mean operation at the car na nkasa so kra so sai wrong and a car na mu kra so na magunsa as suspect e bi come apart from say you be pick up ye twato abutu so no e san so kra ye car dada ya e kwa tuo musie pa na bi wa e ba pe kwa hweto musie e ba na we odi ko na so obi ye ni abre a chese e be SMP ni ade eti nanka omaya this 64 year we shouldn't have waited till this day and about this debate on banks ninya sophisticated cars like bureau vans na bulletproof and kaya standard Europe standard at say vehicles the conveys ka various regions omokra na ti kura sabe
akromfo ni mu no
akromfo wom kura nso a mo kwan ye no wo de akromfo ba bia obi o ka akromfo ni ba bia nye no kure asase so de na ala nyankopon bo wiase bible we amfisa akromfo ko wia obi o bu no prepare na asofo duru twa mu a good Samaritan so what that story no eti akromfo de o ba bia na mpasa be chisa abrofo ko mo kwan ye mpo no a omo nse otu ya hra no adu no kura no omo at the standard of the saying bulo vans adi adwuma no asi ho ente say ya kwan ayi kwan oboase tudun kwa kwan pacha aha to ha pacha no na osa oka ansanya na what do you expect we say crash dey see nkra krom pe it tells you
say we nya ka ekwan ya enye because see abonten
se bia sisi ba bia nya dante ye ka o se ka firi ho nyina de ba
okay
dedi ka si na si western region se ho ba bia ko hwe atache bia na ka na namu ni ade a ebe de na nsie so atase ana akra de nso no akra de but we say akra to ba bia bi kwa nkofo adwen kwa ya de be any ho so to the guards today is the time of security agencies no omu bi fi up security ana nsem mu so kuma say regional commander no ma moto bia ne ho ha enenam krom ka bia ka could have stopped these things and also operations the kwanya menye security expert there but the kwanya on fa so I got this camera de kono. I think it's about time we change strategy, no, because what the car in front car na nye bulletproof. Obi ba so tawan tentena we gban. Oh no. Eti bia operate kwan on fa so this kind of kokra e bia ye be ma car na di kan na bia car bi di akire na bia ma obi a disguise no ho bi otimoto bi so ana oti other kam because can de ko isika no esombo esikakase
enu mum na meboa
of course sir
wonyi ni say police ni ya assign you for duty say de odi kan kai no e bia wo say police IGP say yen kire say de ne ma ye die ye nyina ye hu ye nkwa hu hia bulletproof car ni nya mai e mai no say de discover ko bank enu nti no wutimu a ya alert enkotena so mi ko check enkotena car ni ko chate hwe kone say wonya sure say e bia nkire bi so ba ebe alert o mama mo so abo mo so
of course send na make say what medical but what can am be kakra ngum because according to the last one you see kura no just na test ni moto and na me tie news on TV3 moto any test no mo di chase car no if the policeman on duty no nyame fa the clearance we wuntuntu nka dey see yankasa but bia nanka na need an ho so a ka bi ko ofre reinforcement kra ma ye bank bia nka nkudu baby ekudu because menye sure say omfiti yana baby omudu na kromfo no mo to che omo so da bi utu say according to our report no mo chase omu fi baby na eba eti aka ya de say akofo adwen ko so but ya de sanka nanka police no take care no sanka if he was a bit alerta bia ko to be free reinforcement emunia ye ho akwasem nka bia ko mutu be pie su kwama ebianka bibi bambo bitumi ye de be
e ba ye kan si no enchire ni hia
enchire san hia courses ni hia we need to give them into say why police we call 6-month course awaiting no am say why mom refresher course ye mom sensitization programs you say ye mom that you know enchire no day to day because areas na dey cha dey say ni pep enam kwambane so planning the obeye so what I say it would do sabe
that's a dada na
world police system na be dey baby too it ya kano yenyam fabulo vans I mean registered and then certified bulo vans nyam aye no I think there should be another way said in America I'm not a security expert but sikana de kona no den e sika kase ne de si e ho ka si dis kana okọ ne e ho ka kra ne sika no kodu asundwemu is better than say e be lose sika ni na so at na me chana say nti ya so obi ba mu a fine nice boy na ya je ne kwa freeze but ma script say minority caucus no so no omo mfaburu nya honwe crackers because this is not the first time ya attack Buluvan o krom ha ebi asipen nti ameka sa nanka nsase ya twen kwa bedu sa bi ko yate bia so at say eti nanka omo obibi kan is good as a country bibi be or say dialogue but man for the politics and insecurity Mali kwa nipa to Mali nipa to Burkina nipa to wona nti ameka sa yakasa insecurity a omaye bia ona mabontia na obi betutu sika de eye sika ayade a obi ane bre especially when there's high rate of your friend say unemployment And I say if it's not high rate, if there is an as an issue of unemployment, California pray for money. It will what we should be doing is that ebia police visibility na say more. I was a police for no mantem ntokron baby nam ho say that say broche bi ja wa me no gina ho sa na wo say
police car na mu
so what as na system no say ya na akwa na keka no so anka yenye ne sa dan say ye be ba ji so we dey ye dey no ma o Ghana dey na ye create impression say oh say the man na be insecurity there kwei it can be prevented if only we can equip our police officers. We can give them sensitization programs, we can give them refresher courses near there. We nya dey be insecurity.
Ghana police na ye ni mu no. So obi ani mo me dey minim. Ye betimi abo barrier no all right. Ye betimi abo barrier be 10. Yet car ni do we betwam.
O say Ghana police na
mimi ni mu no.
O nim no. Obi ani ma wo nim.
Mimi ni mu no. Ye betimi abo barriers makoma be 10.
What do you mean by obi ani ma wo nim?
The Adam the bitch say betimi abo barriers mako 1 2 3 be 10. 10 barriers and still na comfort the car do we betwam. Eti e ho no e de na e ho so no ye ya fa ho de mpanimfo ya fa ma saa ne ma no etu atwa enu na betimi aboa ye so aba barrier de e be bo no all right yet se taxi ni nipa ni timo odu wo no ma obetwam.
Well ni na babesi you know we are not discussing barriers because as some see barrier is
security issue
but in security issue dey make us even though say nyano ne discuss there but so wo hwa Ghana police na nkasa no abanya baban ko omlake ne ma bebrebe o we one person me dey papa ko for dey me custom bi na me ka ne pene me dey because man pani ko for ba na hu police for ntade na hye wom na hwe mu jeep bia no mu di chechi akrofo tro mu sia na npa kra mo bo no bi ko police ko na atro bi ko mpasi mu so police ni but oba equipe wom to talk yi about to talk Peugeot ne other cars you know cars say come out say change ye bi uniform papa ne na police ni ba say nika battle striking force Panther Buffalo unit railway on MMA police no ye akono even those na ho kwan we shame kena etianka ban bi e ba na nkonso kakra be kan ho a ka bi e beduru achiri de wo kan kronfo ba ye ntwe nanim an roba nie de ya ne wudi submission tim no oba bia obi ka say anasa an roba de a oba no okuratuo no etu anfa ntane nsam no sei e na anfa nto ne seat so de o de sie ba bi for pote fichire bi a ebe ye den se police nya tip off sakoya obo suspect on tumi nkonko dwiri ne kam nyema nyina so osache no nanka ka nanka be de kwa ne etwam se nanka dipa ko begina
na se na ye sa so betimi abo ebi
meba abroche kra ne nya ne saa wo hia gadget ye won ma detect se ka no bibi ye weapon ehyem ana bibi a chese ka we bibi edidi ewuade bokro no wom
no
enta make say if they are not equipped so ni niam na ode baye na de obayan say betwam ko ko ni ade no ana oya na de say be one base on tip of say ebia me to me car and obi to the car me tofia kwa say de besu sukromfo obi to the car na me hwe ni pay me hwe ebiko no kura tuo bi ana ode hye ni boot ana me manya la ma free police akwa bi ba na car number say oduru am nkware na me hu se tuo kura no saanya sa cars bebrebe a etwamu no ontumi nkase wo gina ka bia satim
asache nti amaka sentidie ne ye beye barriers ne ye bebo be se de me kan ya be si de waka no so no ye tiam abo barriers 10 yet wo du home betwam because bia sa equipment ana means wo be seche mu se na eje ba no klase kan ana na eje ba no kulatuo no eni wonom etine ede na wo sa ban ye ede na wo sa national
anu ana makasa they should be equipped I was aban bia ba onu so enema omo like Ghana police na nsem te say be 2 years ago te say aban no class wo okoto helicopter brewom which was a good thing so bi ko abokro no won pato hu say helicopter nam so na ton light ko nam fom a helicopter to be the be and if they are not equipped there is less service they can render because on to me nkasa ni pe be nyina because the time ago na me ko Accra we duru kwa so na police ni no gina me ojina me na o se mi mi boot am use Korea XB mi mi boot timbie kwa metim because sometimes be na open tana ye jinjanse ko tuma ya frustrated kakra ndam tika nim tuma na be frame se mi simra na msiko no se enye boni bia o ampa wo hu se ono kwa obejo hu se mi media accreditation se ka but begin no hui na one so obi kura police ni gina wo se bra be obutua ne nko na wa akọ bie ma no because nipa de nipa police na say afutu ode ma me no say nipa de nipa obi kura betumi ewo ebia ade bi hye na obi awi bia na bibi na uka so no anko hwe no kwa na wagya tunu afro se bra behwe ukoso ampa wo hu aduro ana wo hu bibi wo kem ena no de sa afutu no ma me eti police for nyasa amunim adwuma mu ye o but imagine sakra komasi hu aboba ya say car say kam nyina wo sachi wo bia boot it doesn't happen anywhere did you hear so benya equipment enti ne yes aban no say aban ne momodna say security de ne bo de kura ne bo nya den because one life lost is one too many. Silipi ba kukure wu e yare hosam. On san kofo ebre na ye ku am true robbery ni ade o. Ba se be ye police ni, aye police ni ba kwa police mi unze say mpanifo ni abre pa pese omo find lasting solutions. But this is not the first time I hear robbery cases. And this is not the first time I hear say a car has been attacked by robbers and all that. It's still be. But this is the time I cover a police for one to aso ntino. Omo ni abre ti ye ma ye ntra on twen Emma sabe de ya grifis sa this the time I was say attack de you was say proactive time bia no yenye measures nto ansa na ade na ba
okay
nyese ya trans 64 years na da so use obi pick up ayakobo 2022
Oro agaga say em say benefo ko chiai e ko di ho ko na Bank of Ghana de to mani say from 24th December 2020 etwa ya ko ya me ya aduma July 2023 de na sa measures na bulletproof and all that no mod yaba who ni say enye too long say mfie mi ensa achi ansa na ye di solution beba ade ho a mfie mi ensa achi na niam asay no na enye bebre dodo
eniam amko discuss no bebrebe such as providing bulletproof for the police personnel and they say police for omo bulletproof but bulletproof nya 100% safe because bulletproof want to be head bulletproof
say we wan fa man hu odi bo ni tiri
so hu ti wo she bulletproof kura castle
ni tiri ho da ho
enti de hia pa na se ebenya bulletproof bulio vans na be transport scanner cause no na ene otu you say bobu menko otutu bobu menko a wa obi kura nche koto bom him cause wa to bobo so na ta so hu ti but the Bank of Ghana penina kano and the IGP akame me hu say also mo ko bankurum no mu nyina adwen si baako me Bank of Ghana penini ya adwene che 2023 because woko semra no fanse woko ka say this 2021 ya ka say first kan nyina sesa ade so yesene boarding do say me I don't buy that ne boarding scanner de koya ne boarding chance ade na ye no na say to aso ne boarding de chance at say Boulevard na be kwakoton so atase eti 2023 don ka 2023 ne chance you from henceforth and a free sada no kind no a free sada no kind no see 2023 na was say sa old style old fashioned ayi ngofo pick up a to no nyina no ne adwuro mu nyina free system no enkosi ho no that means process has begun omode kro na IGB so aba say omomo ono so time o share contrary to the way I can te ba sa ahon prepare no omode ba ya na me yan fa ho prepare so nkonko ya de no but yen free ba ko nyen komienu
say IGP hu ni say 2023 de ka kwanwa
ne kwanwa ade no enya normal car if you kwa wo koye order me ya bro ko e be take time I'm not too sure there but e be take time I'm sure say dey be take time tisa normal car of course matter bra there be wo koye order ne wa chere specifications a wo pe say o sipe car no near the abrew nti I don't think say be just a year thing so at say but the obetu aka so mun speed up the process and say be ya be ba sha se abantem no be so kase ne boarding banks nyen tumi nto me pa chawo we sabe ha basa sabe common sense na adwuma 3 banks betumi akom ho abom no makoto baako send ye mu discover kwa asewia kontombra odwe de ekoba adecho odwe de eko adecho odwe de eko saa mo ya kodumre bia motumi ato anafe mo banya 3 bulletproof vans na bank bia fa baako enyesa bank bia chinchina force koto baako mo nkeka mo humom bia commercial bank on Barclays akabum ana Barclays ni INIB akabum ana Best Point on we akabum mo to baako so atase because safety ne board ne ba otumi yenso a eboa
yen fa wie
tibi de di wie no Ghana for penny for na me so say one life loss is one too many say dem di kan no momon tran ye say sabe se Kofi Agye yɛbɔ ne tuo kunu wɔ armed robbers nsa no a ana yɛbɔ ne tuo kunu wɔ true armed robbery a investigations are far advanced zewu a na mu akɔyɛ police ni ana pani bi dia quick na ne yɛtuma investigation dia kosi yɛhu yɛtua mu ana sɛ bo safe de yɛde ahokeka bi de ba adwuma nim ɛnsɛ ba sa Ghana ni bia deserve protection Ghana ni bia deserve national cake on security nti me nkasa we de to na ɛyɛ normal ba we de to na ɛwɔ mu sampa police ni aba na ɛbɔ no ho kanti yɛn sika de hwɛ ne de ti ba kokora kwa yɛ sa akɔfa another person asa abetetena sa abɔ yɛ ho ka abɔ no ho ka ɛhwɛ no nti ha dwen but yɛn nso so na yɛ ma ahoɔdem yɛ de hwɛ police no ti yɛ wu a ɛhɔ na bɛhwɛ police no
yes hɔ na ɔkɔbɔ no ho ban
so what you say
adwuma ne bɛyɛ da so si
so what you say nti no
de ne ka betwa mu ama na hwɛ
nti ma yɛn kasa we de ne see unfortunate but plans are far advanced na hwɛ ya na hwɛ agu yɛn kɔ yɛn because 64 years ɛnyɛ child's play sa security measures in I'm sure say South Africa and other South African countries they almost more than that nya fair yɛn this the first gateway to Africa and so na ye bully over and say this care kwatro mu sese pacha ɛnya de ɛbɛboa
abusia de mu asie yɛ Owura James Sagaga ranking member of the Defence and Interior Committee ono so na ono aso na say yɛ na ɔyɛ former deputy minister for interior Nesama waka concerning you see with Jamestown, a branch of police in Yamofa, to say one cat as fast as all because of Saudi. Sika or escorting us our name and what did I judge Raba and I'm in edgy. Yes, yet and I saw a DB as some more. Yeah, I saw the comments about become Didia Joa, a champion, a couple of yard not don't do me never say share.